Hi guys, welcome to our next episode. As what we've said in our trailer, we'll show you our very own kitchen. Our kitchen is not that grand or hindi talaga siya grand, pero I think it's decent enough to show you kung paano namin siya design. So, tara na! Hi guys, so start tayo dito. So if you can see, we designed a full stretch cabinet here. Kasi, if you can see here, on the top of our laboratory, wala kaming top hang cabinet. Kaya, nagbili na kami ng shelves. So kaya inisip namin, put a full stretch cabinet over here. So dyan na yung mga storage na. Pero, we really like this design kasi merong something special in this design. Di ba full stretch cabinet siya? If you can see, akala nyo, puro cabinet lang siya. Inupen ko, medyo magulo. Pero, ayan, nakalagay yung mga food namin or yung mga storage. Ito, napupull out siya. Tapos, marami nakalagay. Pero, it's a pull out. Yan, sorry for the minutes. And then, the last part of the cabinet, ito yung favorite namin kasi, we cover this with the cabinet door, pero ang totoo talaga niya, it's a toilet. So, makita mo, toilet talaga siya. Kasi, yan. So, hindi na namin pakita yung toilet kasi medyo baka hindi na magustuhan. Pero, tingnan namin the reason why we put cabinet doors here kasi nga, para seamless yung design niya, magmukhang isang full stretch cabinet lang din siya rather na toilet door yung nakita mo. And plus, ang pinaka-ayaw din kasi namin yung while you're eating, may makikita kang toilet or pag may lumabas sa toilet, may makikita mo na or kung ano mong ginawa niya, maaamoy mo, parang gano'n. So parang technical is that also hygienic. Tapos, punta naman tayo. And very simple lang naman din yung ginawa natin. Wala kami yung cabinet. As I've said earlier, pero we put a full stretch of shelving. Itong mga display na to, it's from my mom pa. So, sinabi ko kanina, hindi naman din talaga fully na-stylize yung kitchen namin. Pero yun, nilagay namin yung mga previews na mga displays na meron kami. Yung na rin muna nilagay namin. And then yun, one of the features ng toilet, na kitchen na to is, yun nga, yung faucet niya na pupull-pull yan. So, wash the dishes. Tapos, ayun, parang masikip pa rin yung nalagyan na namin ng mga equipments. Ang main regrets ko lang dito, hindi namin siya nalagyan ng pang-oven na pang-bake. So, maliit lang inilagay namin na pang-bake na oven. And then, yun nga, medyo kulang pa rin sa lalagyan ng equipments. And plus, nung time ng construction nito, so, syempre, naman, sa Pilipinas, mahal ang pagawa ng bahay. So, ang splurge namin is more of the cabinetries. So, tinadupo namin yung cabinetries niya. And then, yung countertop, yun ang supposedly dapat solid surface ang gusto namin ilagay. Pero, nag-end up kami into a tiles na lang. Kasi nga, mas tipid. Also, in this area, sa nook, supposedly gusto namin bulakas marble, pero ang nangyari, naging tiles na lang siya na white. Tapos yun nga, hindi siya kasi maganda ng solid surface or ng marble. Pero ito naman, nag-match naman siya with the overall design. So we put an induction cooker dito kasi mahilig kaming magluto din. So dito ko naisip ilagay yung induction cooker kasi parang while nagkukook ka, at least kita mo yung labas, may view ka ng labas. Diba? And then another feature is, if makikita nyo, wala kaming dining table. So, ito na talaga yung pinaka-dining area namin. Ayan, medyo hinabaan na lang namin. Dilugtong namin siya sa wood. Kasi nga, yung like yung sinabi ko previously na this is a duplex talaga. Tapos, inopen lang namin yung gitna. So, parang ang sikip na maglagay ng dining. So, naisip namin, dugtong na lang, diretso na lang siya. And then plus, dinagdagan namin siya ng extension, table extension, kasi pagka yung mga sisters ko from abroad na uuwi. So, medyo marami na kami dito. 19 lang na to. So, this table, you can actually extend this. Ganyan siya. So, ayan, mas maraming makakaupo. Pagpasensya ko na ang aming chairs. Hindi siya grand kasi talaga kinuha lang namin siya from previous home. Pero in the future, maybe, pagka ni-renovate namin itong kitchen, then we will change that into more stylish chair. Tapos, in this area naman ng kitchen, you can see, there are open space na dito. So, pag nagpupuk ka, ayan, yung sinasabi kong view, ito. So, actually, we have a plunge pool there. Ayan, hindi siya masyado magandang ngayon. Pero I'll show you kung ano itsura niya pag may water. Plus, ayun, dito. So, yun, dito ako nagkakape-kape pagka hapon. So, nakatingin ka lang siya. And then, ayan, ito, we have a small coffee nook here. We have a small coffee nook here. Wait lang, baby. We have a small coffee nook here, ayan. Makikita nyo, hindi rin naman high-end ang aming espresso machine. Pero yun, at least we have a small coffee. Kasi, mahilig kami lahat magkape dito. With the flooring naman, if makikita nyo, then we just put polished concrete. Kasi, yun, aside from medyo matipid, yung initial concept namin with this kitchen is industrial look. So, more of using raw materials. So, yun lang with the lighting naman. Ayan, industrial look pa rin yung lighting na nilagay namin. Pag-open the light, edge. As, of course, we use the red bricks. So, if makikita nyo, ayun yung diniscuss ko sa previous vlog ko. So, as a backsplash, you should continue the bricks up to the ceiling para magmukhang grand din yung kitchen. Ayun, yun yung in-apply ko na trick din dyan. Yun lang. Tapos yan yung red. Huwag na natin buksan kasi wala nung lap.
Just to give you a quick history of the kitchen, here's the sneak peek of the floor plan. Initially kasi, this house was supposed to be a duplex house na we were supposed to build and sell when we were in Singapore. Kaya lang when we moved back, we realized na mukhang okay naman tumira dito and wag na namin ituloy yung build and sell. So, yun, if you could see, merong wall in the middle dun beside the stairs. Supposed to be firewall yun, dire-diretso up to the end. Pero yun nga, what we did, inopen namin yung sa may area ng dining and kitchen para yun yung mas lumaki. So if you could see, ayan yung lavatory namin, and then yung kitchen sink, and then eto yung cabinet na seamless na and dyan din nakatago yung toilet. Then eto yung nook area that we extended into a dining table, and then etong table na to, it can be extended pa rin when you have a lot of guests. And then if you could see, meron din kaming maliit na pool. Actually, it's only a plunge pool. Hindi ka talaga makaka-swim ng lapses dyan. Just a plunge pool lang. Parang panglublob na lang din sa panahon ng tag-init. And then, so our kitchen were built last 2016 pa. So what we could have done better? Ano yung mga regrets namin? Number one, we could have a lot of space for a built-in oven. Kasi yun nga, nung ginagamit na namin, na-realize namin that sometimes pala you need to bake din, or yun, maganda rin nagbe-bake. So, kailangan ng space for an oven talaga. And then number two, we could have splurge in a better countertop. Kasi, yun nga, instead of using tiles, we could have used solid surface or granite or marble. So, yung initial option namin in sink countertop, we want sana a solid surface. Pero yun nga, instead we use tiles. And we also like Volacas marble. Yun yung initial na nasa in mind namin. But when we canvas, mahal siya. So, hindi kaya ng budget during that time. Number 3, we could have splurged with, yun nga, sana initially pa lang, ni-stylize na namin. Nilagyan na namin ng mga accent chairs, accent dining chairs, ganyan. Pero yun nga kasi, parang up until now, actually, our house is not yet fully done. So, ayun, we prioritize lang talaga yun na matapos yung interiors niya na magagamit din namin na hindi naman siya sobrang unfinished, pero yun nga, usable naman sa loob. And then, so, what's our look and feel in this kitchen? What's our vision? Ano yung inspiration namin? Actually, during that time when we were designing this kitchen back in 2016, we really want an industrial look na kitchen. Ayun, so more of raw materials and industrial look na ganito yung mga pegs. So here's the summary of the materials that we use.
So that pretty much ends our kitchen tour. So, yun, I hope you like may natutunan kayo with our kitchen tour again, or may mga inputs ako mabigay. Thank you and have a nice week.